Do you have plans? Do you have new traditions that you want to try with your family? Let us know. Go ahead and write in the comments and let me know what you're doing at this time of year. Because remember, all the neighbor kids are going off and talking about what teacher did you get? And at this time of year, everybody's really enthusiastic. But there are other things that you can do that can show that you can have fun too. They can have a fun time during this season. There were times that we just packed up and went camping. And I don't even know that my family necessarily knew that school was starting. We're like, we're out of here. There's too much. And so that's an option too. But there are other little things that you can do, fun ways to make it special for them. So I can't see the chat right now, but hopefully you're sharing what you're going to do. Maybe one of these is something that would be something that you would like to try. Remember, the lines are shorter. If you go to some theme park, or if nobody's in the movie theater, or you could do movies at home. There's all kinds of ways to make it at home really special. I've even known people that did like a little basket of stuff on the first day of school, where they had cake for breakfast and all new markers and all new whatever it is that your kid likes. Again, remember, we're individualizing. If you have a kid that doesn't care anything about artwork, then don't spend a bunch on markers, or you go with the direction that your kids are interested. All right. So those back to school traditions, some of them that I mentioned, are in the Not Back to School unschooling guide. There's a page of this that are things like, go ahead and take a photo of your kid. Maybe you're going to take it by the backyard tree, maybe on the couch, maybe in their bed, maybe wherever, and then take it every year at the same time. Because one of the things I know is kids like to see themselves as time goes on. And so when they can see that they learned, they grew too. They didn't have to go to school to get a back to school photo. You can decide, all right, we're going to stand in this doorway, or stand next to this tree, or stand next to something that shows some relativity as far as how big they are now. Maybe leaning on the counter. Maybe when they're little, they're standing by the counter and then they're leaning on the counter. And that's all kind of fun, so that you have a collection over the years. That's that repeating location thing that is on this list. So really, you can plan your own get-togethers. You can do those things with one family. Do it with your own family. Do it whatever you need to do to help your kids